76. Kilometer 66, Unfall, Unfall, Unfall.
What I need to do is get you out of the vehicle, and if you have identification, please hand the identification over to me.
No.
Identify yourself to me.
And I'm not going to step out of the vehicle.
All right, well, you know, you are impeding my investigation. You are delaying me, which is a penal code violation in the state of California.
That law only applies to U.S. citizens.
Well, where are you a citizen of?
I am not a U.S. citizen.
Well, see, that's
I am a free inhabitant. I am of the earth. I do not belong to any corporation. I do not belong to any country.
Yeah, but as long as you're in the sovereign states of the United States, you will abide by the rules and laws.
See,
and you have certain protections.
a free inhabitant is they are allowed to. They're free people. They have all of the rights of a U.S. citizen without following any of their laws.
Well, that would just be pure anarchy if that were the case.
No, because we're peaceful people. We're peaceful people. You go call them up and ask them, and they'll tell you exactly what I'm talking about.
Well, I don't know who to call.
Your superior.
Well, I am a superior to a certain extent.
So call your superior.
Well, it's going to take a couple hours or so for somebody to come down.
Well, just
and that's
call
not going to
them.
happen right now.
Well, then we're going to have to solve it some other way.
All right.
We just need to, you need to call in, tell them I'm a free inhabitant, and find out what that is.
Well, I am going to tow this vehicle, young lady, so you cannot be in this vehicle.
I understand that. So all right, then I'm going to get out of the vehicle, and I'm going to walk down to that house because you do not have authority over me. Well, then I'm not getting out of the vehicle.
No, you're not.
Why?
You're not free to leave.
Why?
As soon as I conclude the rest of my investigation, you will be free to leave. As far as I know, you have not done anything wrong at this point. But you are slowly reaching to that point to 148 PC.
I'll get out of the vehicle for you. I will get out of the vehicle. And I'm getting
All right, well, you're not free to leave.
You're
going to take the bag off.
No, I'm not.
You're going to take the bag off.
No, I'm not.
Relax your...
Hey! You're raping me. This is rape. This is rape. This is rape.
Relax.
Okay.
Relax your arms.
It's relaxed.
Stop fighting with me.
It's relaxed.
Stop fighting with me. Stop fighting.
All right. Okay. I'm not fighting.
Ёб твою мать! Идиот хуев, блядь! Чё, он сбил?
What's that right there? Okay. Can I get your license and registration, please? Ma'am, that's money.
I know.
Why are you giving me money?
How much I owe you?
You don't owe me any money. I asked for your license and registration.
Like, you want to check my registration? Go ahead. I'm going home.
Have you been drinking?
No, what do you want? I just want to go home.
Alright, I need you to put the money back in your purse. Turn off your vehicle. Alright. I know. You're getting arrested for the weed. I pulled you over because you were speeding.
What about it?
And you reek of alcohol.
I don't care.
You've got an open container in your passenger side. And, yeah. Do you have any questions for me? Okay.
What?
Dude, I don't even know, bro. I've never come across that much just spilled weed. This is just everywhere. And we found the bag. Look. She stuffed it between the feet. Oh, and it's spilled all over there. It's just all in that vehicle. I don't know what.
That's personal use. Come on, take me in.
That's personal use.
Yeah, personal use. What? What? I smoke weed. What?
Thank you for dressing her for me.